So we're going to have a quick talk about two of our Valkyrie series barbells. Here we have the Valkyrie series powerlifting bar and the Valkyrie series hybrid barbell. Now a couple big differences between both of these bars. First we'll talk similarities. They're both built at 220 centimeters long on the 20 kilo variants. Each of them are built to their specs. So our powerlifting bar is built to IPF spec in terms of length and weight. It comes with only IPF knurling markers. And what you'll see when we start talking differences to our hybrid bar, which is built to IWF specifications, carries with it both an IWF and IPF knurling marker. We see the knurlings on both bars have a difference to them. The powerlifting bar is much more aggressive than the hybrid barbell, made to really grip into your hand when you're trying to pull a max deadlift. Other differences are a center knurl on our power bar, which gives you more grip for a back squat. We also see some differences in the whip of these two bars. The power bar is going to be much stiffer compared to the hybrid barbell for those big heavy power lifts, versus the hybrid bar that's designed to be an all-round gym barbell. So whether you want to do deadlifts, you want to do cleans, snatches, any of your CrossFit movements, this is going to be better suited for that purpose. Now we're going to get Kev do a few lifts on our power bar, and he can give us his experience on it. So Kev, you've been on the power bar, you've been on the hybrid bar, you've been on our hard and chrome bars. How do you find that bar compares to the others?
This is 100% stiffer and a lot easier to lift than the standard bars, and also any other bar I play with. The best thing I like is that as soon as I pick it up, the stiffness of the bar, I get a feel for the weight straight away, compared to exactly what we're talking about, the whip of the others. This is stiff, I grab it, I can take the load and I can feel the lift and feel the weight go through my body straight away. I really enjoyed lifting with this bar also. The difference being there was a little bit more give, a little bit more of a whip. However, in doing movements like a power clean, even a back squat, the stimulus is a little bit different. However, I did find this had a little bit more give in it for me anyway. This is definitely the bar we choose for a power clean or any Olympic lift, as this bar would be too stiff. Both are great bars.
Perfect. So I'm going to jump on, I'll do a few cleans and just talk about how this hybrid bar compares to the power bar in that aspect. Yeah, so just as Kev was saying, this bar does have a lot more width to it compared to the power bar. Just something we really want when catching that clean and using the momentum of the bar to pull you up from the bottom. In terms of grip, the hybrid bar being a little bit less aggressive than the power bar is something I can spend an entire session pulling heavy cleans, pulling heavy snatches, or doing a CrossFit workout with a huge number of reps. This bar is going to be much kinder to my hands than when I'm trying to pull a 1RM deadlift on that one, or trying to do those long sessions on a power bar that has a more aggressive knurl. So each bar has its purpose for what you want to use. Pick the right bar for what you want to do in the gym, and it's going to see you for a lot of great lifts and a lot of great sessions.